Hi everyone, this is Rob Roy at Elliott Options, and welcome to this trade review of our recently closed trade ID number 527. This was on stock symbol AVXL, and is yet another winning trade in our new AI-based time strategies. You can see this was a calendar spread, and that's the idea, time spread, hence the name time strategy. So you profit over time, where normally time decay is a problem in the world of trading options. In this strategy, it's actually helpful, and that's a good thing because time decay is one of the absolutes in the world of trading options. So the entry was sent out on February 2nd, and you can see here's the chart, and we're looking for these to stay in a trading range as a reminder. Now look at the interesting fact about this position is it was sent out as an alert. The AI alerted us on this one before earnings. So you have an earnings report coming up in the not too distant future, and if the expectation is to stay within a trading range, well, you got to have a lot of faith in the AI, because we all know earnings reports can move stocks. So we do trust the data. We've got many years worth of data from it. So we sent out this alert, and coming into expiration of the February put, the stock had actually bounced up just a little bit following the earnings report, or into the earnings report, and then you can see it rolled over afterwards. That's going to be key in a second. But on this bounce to the upside, that allowed that short put, the put that we sold in the calendar spread, to expire worthless. So now that leaves us with just the long put. Now, if the expectation is for the stock to stay in a trading range and it's had a little bit of a bounce, what's the next likelihood? That it's going to head back down towards support. So you have an opportunity in a calendar spread to sell another month, or just simply hold the long option once the short option expires. Because remember, with a time spread, the option you're buying is further out in time than the option you're selling. And so I posted a comment on our website. We do this in addition to the commentary that comes out in the actual alert itself. So if we feel like there's something that needs to be said, I'll post an additional comment. And so I was explaining the fact that, hey, in this case, we're not going to sell another month. We're just going to hold the long option, and exactly what you would expect to happen happened. The stock continued down towards support. That allowed that long put to gain value and allowed us, in the end, to generate a 30% gain in 20 days. That's right around where the norm is in this strategy. And so there's so much flexibility that you have with these time spreads, as far as closing it out after a month, holding the long option, selling another month, in other words, rolling the position out. And that makes it really exciting. You can see this position never went below the zero line in our mark-to-market graph here, and that's another great thing about these time strategies, is they have very little drawdowns. I hope you found that informative. Look forward to talking to you again next time. Take care, everybody. If you like these recordings, I'd like to invite you to join our new Trade Finder Live, where each and every week we do a live webinar where we talk about the market, but we also go a little more in depth into the technical analysis system that we utilize to forecast where the market's likely going to go, and also to identify trading opportunities. Get your free subscription today. Take care, everybody.